Guys, there isn't much that compares to my hot honey ribs, but there is one thing that compares to them, and that's ZGRILLS one-of-a-kind deal here, boys and girls. By supporting and buying one of these pellet grills, ZGRILLS gives you the opportunity to upgrade your pellet grill up to 10 times for the next 50 years. That's right, every 5 years you can go out and get the latest and greatest pellet grill from ZGRILLS at no cost to you. Guys, this is what they want to do to reward their customers, that loyalty. I suggest you jump on it today, baby. Guys, the setup of this pellet grill was pretty dang easy. All you do is just follow instructions, which is tough for a guy like me to do, but I got the instructions out, went page by page, turned out money, all right? It's packaged very well. As I was pulling stuff out, I was not worried about it being broken or out of shape or whatever. Packaging comes in perfect, okay? Now this particular pellet grill from ZGRILLS is the ZPG7002C2E. I had to write that down. There's no way I was gonna remember that. But it's Wi-Fi enabled. It's one of my favorite features. Anytime that you can control the cook with your phone and having the ease of a pellet grill, it just makes it so much easier, okay? All I did was download the app, logged in, created an account for myself, right? Found the device, which is really easy to do. You just stand next to it and search device. Got connected to my Wi-Fi, and then within seconds, I was setting up the cook, putting the temperatures I want in there, and just set it and forget it. With this cook, we did some hot honey ribs, which are spicy and sweet and savory all in one. Now I set these ribs up like pretty much any other rib I do. These are St. Louis style ribs. So I pulled off the back membrane, trimmed up the sides, squared it off a little bit, right? For a binder, I used a little Worcestershire sauce, and this one has a little bit of spice in it. So I thought it would complement the sweet heat we got going on. Put that W sauce all over it, sprinkled on some sweet heat seasoning, flipped it over, did the same thing over again. Binder, sweet heat, right? Got them on that ZGRILLS pellet grill. We cooked them about 3 hours, give or take, at 275. Once they got to about 170 or so, we pulled them off, got them wrapped up in some foil with a little bit of barbecue sauce, some butter, some of that hot honey, a little bit more of that barbecue rub. Wrapped them up, got them back on the grill, another 2 hours or so until they were probe tender and temping out over 200 degrees. Now, once I do that, I like to pull the tin foil back, flip the ribs over, then baste them down with some more barbecue sauce and a lot of that hot honey. Then I'll shut down the lid for about 5 minutes, let that sauce tack up a little bit, and then we're ready to eat, baby. But we got them inside the house, sliced them up, easy as can be, all right? Guys, my first impression of this ZGRILL pellet grill is a positive one. I liked how I received it. The packaging was perfect. The instructions were easy to follow. I did it by myself, took about an hour or so, but if you have someone with you, you probably knock it out a little bit sooner. And I had to stop a few times, you know, doing social media crap, you know, so it really doesn't take that long as you just keep at it and keep focusing on the instructions and going through the steps. I dig it. That Wi-Fi takes this pellet grill over the top, and I'm digging it, okay? And you cannot forget about that crowdfunding that ZGRILLS does. You get 10 upgrades over the next 50 years, one every 5 years, free of charge. I believe there's a little bit of shipping costs with that, but you constantly upgrading to the next best thing. Listen, they do it to reward their customers. I think that's a great idea. They invest back into the customers, to their company. They want to grow their thing, and it works really well. So if you're thinking about joining that ZGRILLS customer focus revolution, right? Click the link down in my video description and grab one of these ZGRILLS today and the next 10 after that, baby. Listen, that's it for now. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.